Hi everyone, welcome to Food Unlimited. Today I'm going to be presenting simple chicken curry. Let's see the process how to prepare. Chicken pieces 2 kgs, turmeric powder 1 tablespoon, red chili powder 3 to 4 tablespoon, salt as per taste. Mix all together. Marinate for 30 minutes. Oil 5 to 6 tablespoon. Turmeric powder 1 tablespoon. Green chili 2 to 3. Curry leaves. Fry about a minute. Chopped onion 400 grams. Fry until onion are transparent. Ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons. Mix all together. Cook for 10 more minutes. Mix it well. Add marinated chicken pieces. Fry for 2 minutes. Close the lid and cook for 5 minutes. Mix all together. Cook for more 10 minutes. Mix it well. Red chili powder 2 to 3 tablespoons. Mix all together. Cook for more 5 minutes. Mix all together. Simple chicken curry is ready to serve.